What if there was a move closer to this mysterious ocean world? The details begin to emerge, and they are far more intense than anything seen on Earth. The surface is alive with motion. Massive waves rise and fall endlessly, some stretching for kilometers before crashing back into the ocean. There is no calm shoreline to absorb their energy, no land to break their movement. The entire planet is in constant motion. Above the surface, thick clouds swirl and shift, forming enormous storm systems that span entire regions of the planet. Powerful winds drive the water into spiraling currents, creating patterns so large they can be seen from space. These storms don't simply come and go. They evolve, merge, and reshape the planet's atmosphere continuously. This is not just an ocean. This is a fully active, dynamic world where water controls everything: weather, atmosphere, and possibly even the conditions for life itself. But could a planet like this truly exist? Or is it just a fascinating idea? To answer that, we need to step away from what we know about Earth and think more broadly about how planets form across the universe. Planets are created from massive clouds of gas, dust, and ice that come together over millions of years. Depending on where this process happens, the final result can be dramatically different. Some planets become dry and rocky like Mars. Others become gas giants like Jupiter. But under the right conditions, a planet could form with an abundance of water, far more than Earth ever had. If a world forms in a region rich in ice and volatile compounds, and if temperatures allow that ice to melt, it could lead to the creation of a planet almost entirely covered in water. In a universe filled with endless possibilities, such a world is not only possible, it may already exist. In fact, scientists have already identified planets beyond our solar system that may fit this description. These distant worlds, often called water worlds, are believed to contain enormous quantities of water, sometimes making up a significant portion of the entire planet. Unlike Earth, where water covers about 70% of the surface, these planets could be covered nearly 100% by deep global oceans. Some estimates suggest that these worlds might hold several times more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. Imagine that for a moment, an entire planet where water is not just a feature, but the defining element of its existence. These discoveries have changed how scientists think about planets. They've shown that Earth is just one example of many possible outcomes, not the standard model, and somewhere among these distant stars, ocean-covered planets may be far more common than we once believed. But the surface of a water world is only the beginning. The true mystery lies beneath. If you were to enter this ocean and begin to descend, the experience would quickly become unlike anything on Earth. At first, sunlight filters through the water, creating soft beams of light that dance beneath the surface. But as you go deeper, that light begins to fade. The vibrant blues slowly darken. Visibility decreases. The warmth disappears, replaced by a cold, quiet stillness. And yet the descent continues, far beyond the limits of Earth's oceans. Kilometer after kilometer, the water stretches downward, forming an almost endless vertical world. The deeper you go, the more isolated and unfamiliar everything becomes. It's a place where direction loses meaning, and the concept of down feels infinite. As you continue descending, the pressure begins to rise to extreme levels. On Earth, the deepest ocean trenches already create pressures strong enough to crush most materials. But on a water world, the depth is far greater, and so is the pressure. With hundreds of kilometers of water above you, the force pressing down becomes almost unimaginable. Every movement would feel heavier. Every structure would be pushed to its absolute limit. At these depths, the environment becomes hostile to anything we recognize. Even advanced technology would struggle to survive under such intense conditions. This is a realm where the familiar rules of everyday life no longer apply. A place shaped entirely by pressure, darkness, and the immense weight of the ocean above. Eventually, you would reach a point where something truly strange begins to happen. Instead of finding a solid, rocky ocean floor like we have on Earth, the water itself begins to change. Under extreme pressure, it can transform into a solid form. Not because it is freezing cold, but because the pressure forces its molecules into a rigid structure. This creates a thick layer of high-pressure ice deep beneath the ocean, forming a barrier between the liquid water above and the inner layers of the planet. It's an environment unlike anything naturally found on Earth, a place where water exists in forms we rarely encounter, behaving in ways that challenge our understanding of physics. This hidden layer turns the planet into something even more unique, a world made almost entirely of water, in different states, stacked upon itself. As well, a planet like this challenges everything we think. Next video.